right, testing. We got sound in this bitch. All right, we got sound. Let me know if I got that sound. What's up? Thanks, man. Thanks. What's poppin'? What's good? All right, guys, we about to get this started. Let me send out these links. 1 second, guys. About to get this party started. Good morning, Zelly. What's up? So the alert comes out at 2:20, man. I don't know if I can go off the stream or not. I'll probably stay live. For the alert. But I might turn my phone off. Guys. Well, I'm actually definitely turning my phone off for 100%. And I'm VPNing. I'm gonna VPN my computer. Yeah, we're definitely gonna use a VPN. What's up? Is that Whimsy? What up, Whimsy? It's gonna glitch for just a second, guys. I just put the VPN on. So it's gonna glitch for just a second, guys. Yeah, I'm turning my phone off. And don't let nobody make fun of you. Because the media right now is trying to make fun of people for doing this. Don't let no one make fun of you. The reason why they're trying to degrade you for turning your stuff off is because they're trying to make you think that you're crazy. They're trying to make other people think that you're crazy. Listen, I know about cybersecurity. I know about code. I know about technology. I'm telling you, it's not paranoid to turn your phone off. There's no reason why this signal should be going out for 30 minutes, okay? So the signal's going out for 30 minutes straight. If it was an alert, an actual alarm, it wouldn't need to do that. And I know this is going to sound crazy, but listen, it's a certain tone. These tones are frequencies. Frequencies can affect your fucking head, dude. You guys gotta fucking get with it, man. If you think it's crazy, look up the science behind it. Cause I'm very science-based, I'm very analytical based. I'm telling you guys, there's science behind all of this stuff, bro. And it's not cool what they're fucking trying to do, man. So I'm turning my shit off, man. I just put the VPN on my computer, and I really want to turn my computer off because this is brand new. It's a brand new computer, so I know there's no malware on it, except for the built-in malware. If you guys don't know, they build in backdoors to your stuff. A backdoor is a piece of malicious code that allows someone to gain access to your device remotely. If you guys look on Rumble, you guys can see my hacking videos. And they're in Discord too. All my hacking videos are in Discord, if you guys didn't know. I have a section right here called Videos for Hacking, how to, and all my old YouTube videos from my old YouTube. This is my old YouTube. This is before I had this YouTube. This is my old YouTube. This is all the videos I had. I had a 12,000 subscriber channel about hacking only. But YouTube took it down. YouTube doesn't let you teach people stuff about that. YouTube don't really like you to teach about anything. But they took it down because you can't teach people about cybersecurity. Even though I was teaching it for a good reason. I was literally teaching it to help protect people. They won't. And besides, people can use that knowledge for bad, so. Good morning. If it's plugged in and not turned on, that's bad. If it's plugged in and turned off, that's bad. Yeah, they could definitely still fuck with you, bro. You're not crazy, Whimsy. I can prove it. I can prove it. I don't want to sit here and change the whole subject of the stream, but I could sit here and look everything up and prove it step by step by step. And I could do it in such a way that if you're not intelligent, it's going to go over your head anyways. So I could sit here and try to break everything down and show you all the frequencies, show you all the science behind it, but then I have to give an entire history lesson. I have to give the history of the fucking radio. I have to give the history of frequencies. I have to give the history of technology. I don't got time to catch everyone up to speed. Follow me on Rumble, dog. Follow me on Rumble because that's where I'm going to be doing that type of stuff. I'm going to catch everyone up to speed on what the fuck is going on, man, because some shit's going down, dog. Thank you for hitting like. I appreciate it. GameStop is... That's... Healing frequency is the golden ratio. It's... Healing frequency, I think, is 361 hertz. I think it's 3614, something like that. I forget what the healing frequency is, but that has to do with the golden ratio and also the golden frequency, healing frequencies. $432, that's right. 432. Yep, it's 432. Yeah, so whoever just said that about GameStop was exactly right. GameStop to 13 if it drops below 1440. That's 100% correct. That's exactly right. You guys are starting to learn, and I love it. Because before, I had to repeat stuff over and over again to some people. Not all of you guys, but some people, man. And then some people will say I said stuff that I never said. And then some people... I think got me confused with Ant's trades, dude. I think some people literally confuse me with Ant's trades. Because they come on my channel and say I say it's going to squeeze every week. But I don't do that. So I don't know what the fuck be going on, but... They be like, you say it's going to squeeze every week. And I'm like, no, I don't. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? What the... Jim, you're stupid as shit, dog. Motherfuckers hear what they want to hear. I don't give a shit. I'ma just keep doing me, bro. Bro, you should know October's bear season, dog. You're fucking retarded. You're timed out. I should just ban you, actually. I should leave a vote. Should we ban Jim or should we just time him out? I'm going to leave it up for a vote. First of all, Jim's racist. Not only is Jim a racist, but he's stupid as shit too. So I'm figuring out, should we ban him or should we time him out? His offenses are being a racist and being stupid as shit. Which in my world, being stupid as shit is the highest offense, dog. I can't stand people that are not smart as me, which is like everybody. Ban? Alright, you're gone, bud. See ya. Yeah, lots of people saying ban. Alright, buddy, you're gone, bro. He's just feeling the pain. What's that mean? Ban him, his alt account anyways? Probably. If it is an alt account, I can figure it out. Alright, market is open, 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 market is open. Let's go, baby. Alright, guys, so just remember what I told you guys. Let's just do a quick update. Real quick. So, SPY. Look for the levels of 422, 422. Look for the levels of 429, 422, and also 424. AMC, we're looking for $8. We want to break $8. GameStop looking nice. All right. Yeah, nobody likes him now, man. Everyone hates that guy. I didn't want to start the day off like that. My bad. Alright, guys. So, GameStop is bottoming out up to 1450. Guys, you already know how I feel about GameStop. Now, a couple people just came in, guys. 2 o'clock, guys. 2 o'clock Eastern time. What is ET? What would that be to Eastern time? Okay. Dang, it just docks the shit out of me. Everyone knows where I am. GameStop. Dude, if we break this level, popping off. I told everyone to buy. Not financial advice. GameStop's a buy. Bitcoin holders about to be rich. Listen. Everything is coming to fruition, guys. Everything's coming to fruition. First of all, Bitcoin is decoupling from the stock market, like I said. Did we also point out, guys, did we forget? Check this out. Bro, yesterday, October 3rd, guys, what did I call? Market crash. Guess what happened on October 3rd? The Dow dropped, what was it, 33 points, I think it was? This happened on October 3rd. Wait, where's it at? The Dow, wait, is this the Dow? It's supposed to crash. Someone said it dropped a lot yesterday. That wasn't that bad. That's not that bad. Maybe I'm mistaken. It did crash pretty hard yesterday, though. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Where we at? Hold up. So it's gonna be 2 p.m. guys, Eastern time. Hold on, I'm missing something. I'm missing part of my wardrobe. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Now I got the full get up on, you feel me? Okay, AMC pushing back for $8. This is what we want, baby. Let's go. Drop some rockets. Drop some rockets. Get those vibes right early. Get them vibes right early, y'all. Get them vibes right early. Let's drop them rockets. Let's drop them rockets. Let's get them vibes in the air. Spark something up and get them vibes in the air. Okay, GameStop went right to my level of resistance, guys, and got rejected. You can't make this shit up. These lines are the rules, y'all. They're not just lines. They're rules. These rules are the rules that the price must follow. Now you guys can see that I drew this line here. This was a rule. Price went straight up to it. Rejected. Also, we got 227 people in the building, so if you don't mind, press that like button. Press that like button if you don't mind. Press that like button. We got 227 beautiful ladies and gentlemen in the building, so let's go ahead and press that like button. Hopefully you're having a good morning today. Hopefully you're having a great day. Hopefully you're ready to get a bag. Hopefully you're ready to watch the stock market. Hopefully you're ready to learn something. Hopefully you're ready for the test happening at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Hopefully you're ready. Me personally, I am turning off my phone, and I did VPN up. VPN up, guys. VPN up. Put your VPNs on. I'm turning my phone off. I'm turning my phone off, so we won't have any music. I'm gonna stay live for the test, just in case anything goes down. I really want to turn my Wi-Fi off, guys. I know it sounds crazy, but me personally, I know too much. Okay, I know too much. I know too much. I know too much. I know too much to be normal. That's why I'm not a normie. That's why I'm not a normie, okay? There's a reason. Very knowledgeable, okay? And I'm telling you guys, there is science behind everything that I tell you. I will never, ever just believe anything without science. I will never, ever believe anything without proof. I will never, ever believe anything without logic. And I'm telling you right now, if you look at the technology we have, if you look at the aspects of cybersecurity and the state of cybersecurity in today's world, they could access your phone remotely, and they can also possibly, this is a little bit more speculative, but the signals and the tones being used can affect your mood. Just like a song, when you play a certain song, it might affect how you feel. A certain sound or tone or frequency can affect how you feel or behave. This frequency is going out for 30 minutes. There is no reason why an alarm, an alert for an emergency signal needs to broadcast for 30 minutes straight on a 5G network at that bandwidth, with that intensity, with that type of equipment. It should be a quick signal. That's it. So just be aware. Keep your eyes on. Keep your eyes on the back of your head, guys. Just be aware of what's going on. The government doesn't want you to be smart. The government wants you to be stupid. They want you to be broke. They're probably not going to let me stream because I'm telling you guys this. But the government wants you to be broke. They want you to be stupid. They don't want you to get money. All of the stuff that I'm helping you do, learn, get money, they don't want you doing this. So break free of the matrix. Break free of the trap. Break free of what they are trying to stop you from doing, because they want you poor. They want you to not have a job. The Fed tells you this every day, guys. The Fed tells you every day they want you unemployed. They want the economy to crumble. We the DataZero family are going to be making money, okay? We are going to be making money off of the crash. Why? Because we know what's going on. We're on top of it, baby. So we are 10 steps ahead of all the normies, and we're also 10 steps ahead of them. So we're going to make money on the way down. We're going to buy the bottom and ride it right back up. And our pockets are going to be so fat that when the inflation hits, we will be able to feed our families, okay? We will be able to take care of our families because shit's about to get crazy, y'all. So make sure you get a bag right now, because I promise you, you are going to need it, okay? You're going to need it. So make sure you get a bag right now. AMC trying to get above $8, guys. AMC is going to be the key level right now. AMC at $8 is going to be the key level. We need to break above $8 to see AMC complete the pattern, guys. We need to see AMC break above $8 to complete the pattern. If you watch my live stream yesterday, you will be aware of the possible inverse or the possible head and shoulders we could see play out on AMC, which would take us back down to that $7.38 mark. Now, if we did go back down to $7.38, that would not be such a bad thing, because it would prove that $7.38 is an official bottom. And you guys can see we had 1, 2, 3 bottoms off of $7.38 already. If we manage to do this one more time, that would be a 4th confirmation showing that $7.38 is the absolute bottom and that we are going to go up and fill the gaps. I believe that this is an accumulation range. I believe that this is a Wyckoff accumulation schematic that we are seeing right now, and we could potentially see the spring play out if it does drop out to those levels. If AMC does drop down to those levels, I will be buying. Why? Because I know how to play the market, and I will be buying low and selling high. That's what I do. 90% of the people buy high and sell low. I repeat, 90% of the people in the market buy high and sell low. That's why you don't want to listen to anyone when it comes to the market. They don't know what they're talking about. Let's go ahead and press that like button, guys. Let's go ahead and press that like button if you don't mind. Go ahead and press that like button. We got 62 likes and we got 200 people in here. Also, I just realized a disturbing metric, guys. 60% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed. That's fine. That's fine. You can stay unsubscribed. I would rather you subscribe. You can keep watching. I suspect that some of those people are people that don't like me, but just watch anyways because I'm always right. I don't want to say always right anymore because people misinterpret that. Because I'm right a majority of the time. Also, I believe that people watch and just don't subscribe. That's weird though. Subscribe. If you watch my content every day, just press the button. Just press the button. You watch me every day. Just press the button. Just press the button. That's all I ask for. I don't ask for anything. I just ask for you to press the subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment. All of those things are free and it takes 5 seconds and it really helps me out. So if you could do that, go ahead and do that ASAP. Thank you. Alright guys, so we did get rejected from $8, so guess what? We are going to be coming back down to $7.84 and possibly $7.76. 100%. 100%. We got rejected from 8, so we'll be coming back down to this orange level here and possibly this level here. It's going to be $7.76 and $7.84. Someone said Uncle Joe. Where's he at? Uncle Joe in the building. Yo, this is so cool, man. I got the best. Y'all are the best people to be here, man. Look, check it out. Just check out my community, man. Look how awesome. A lot of you guys, man, look at this. We got lots of mods now. We got lots of members. Lots of you guys are members and mods, man. We got members on mods. Lots of you guys, man. Good job. A lot of people became members. I really appreciate that. All right, so we did hit that 782, guys. We just hit 782. We're going to play it level by level today, guys. We're going to play it level by level. So 782 is where we're at. If we don't hold 782, we're going down to the next one. We're going to play it level by level. We can do this every day, for real. Normally, I have the prediction mapped out, which I do. I do think we're going to be coming down to here. You guys see where my prediction is. It's all the way down at 769. Oh, yesterday I played Call of Duty after the stream. I did trash, though. I didn't do very good. I did way better the last time I streamed. But, yeah, you guys got to see me play Call of Duty yesterday. I played it right after stream. I went from stocks right into Call of Duty. Alright, I definitely need to get some coffee, so 1 second. Okay, guys, so here is my prediction. It looks like it's coming true. Good job, guys. The Discord layout will be changing, guys. The Discord layout is changing. We're adding upgrades to the Discord. The Discord is going to be looking a lot better. It's going to be a lot more user-friendly. It's going to be a lot more easier to understand. So new Discord GUI, graphical user interface. That's what a GUI stands for. Graphical user interface coming out soon. Also, just so you guys know, I'm not crazy, man. I'm telling you guys, I had a channel of 12,000 subscribers, okay? I had a channel of 12,000 subscribers. If you don't believe me, go to my Discord and go to the hacking video section. Okay, go to the hacking video section and look at all my hacking videos from my old YouTube. This is my old YouTube. Before I made this YouTube, I had 12,000 subscribers on this channel, teaching about cybersecurity, Kali Linux, MSF Venom, coding, Python scripting, HTML scripting, cross-site scripting, everything, guys, everything, Metasploit, everything. I will be posting those videos on Rumble. I have posted some of them already, but I'll be posting a lot more on Rumble, guys. I'll be posting a lot more on Rumble. In fact, here's a fun fact for you guys. That Datazero, the Datazero logo that you guys seen in the beginning of my videos, that was made by somebody. Someone made that for me. It was from my first channel. They made that for me. That Datazero that spins in the beginning of my videos. So that's a fun fact. GameStop's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. But you have to know what you're doing, man. You gotta wait. So listen, on this one, guys, if you bought down here, you're gonna be straight. Not financial advice. We could still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 2 weeks, guys, before anything happens. Also, until the market crashes, you know what I mean? Like, so just be ready, just be prepared, and just have your shares. If you follow the formula that I've given you, you'll be fine. If you follow the formula that I give you, you'll be fine. Trade SPY, trade SQQQ, use profits to buy AMC, GME, and Bitcoin. Not necessarily in that order. Also, guys, I have a XRP prediction, guys. I have an XRP prediction. You guys are going to bug out on this one. This one's very speculative, guys. This one, this one's very speculative, guys. We don't know if this is going to happen for sure. This is a prediction from The Simpsons. This isn't even my prediction. So, so just take this with a grain of salt, okay? But apparently, okay, this is a prediction from The Simpsons, okay? So take it with a grain of salt, but maybe take it with a lot. But the Simpsons predicted XRP would hit like $532 or something like that. Take it with a grain of salt, guys. Just a little fun speculation for you. Dang, I ran a 657. You guys see that speed test? Over 657 megabits per second. Whoa. What's up, Uncle Joe? Your name is Uncle Joe. We all know you as that. That's your name. So whenever your name is Uncle Joe, regardless. But I think you can change your YouTube name. Yes. He's asking. Uncle Joe wants to know if he can change his YouTube name. So Uncle Joe wants to know if he can change his YouTube name. Does anyone know that? SPY is going up as predicted. SPY is moving exactly as predicted. That's why I don't even watch anymore. Listen, I know it's probably different for you guys because you guys don't know what's going to happen. But look, SPY's moving exactly as I predicted, guys. It's moving back up towards this level here, and it's going to get rejected. That's my prediction. So the level is 424.13. We can move this over just a little bit. There. This white dotted line is my prediction. And then this is my prediction for AMC. So far it's tracking. And you really won't get technical analysis like this anywhere else. So you press subscribe, because you're not going to find technical analysis like this anywhere else, guys. You're not going to find somebody who can show you with a price path before it happens, what price is going to happen. You're not going to find anyone on YouTube that's able to do this. And that's not me being arrogant. That's just me being realistic. If you know another channel that does this, please show me, because I would love to see it. So go ahead and press that subscribe button. If there is another channel, please, I really do want to see it, because I would learn a lot from that channel. So if there is another channel like mine, please tell me. I'm being dead ass serious. I could definitely learn a lot if there's another channel like mine. Okay, so we're getting the bounce. Come on, baby. Get that bounce. Guys, if we can hold these levels here, this is going to be a lot better. That would be perfect. Someone said, get us all rich so we can start our own hedge fund. Dude, that's the plan. You guys have no idea. I'm a mastermind, guys. You will understand very soon. I am a mastermind. I am a mastermind. What makes AMC reject? Nah, it's not people selling at 8, bro. It's them. It's them not letting us over $8. I would say that, so you can't always blame manipulation, because that's just stupid. Because sometimes it's natural price movement. But I seen specifically on 2 days where we were over $8 and then they started shorting. And listen, so what they'll do is they'll save all of their shares until we get over $8. If you notice, they load shares up, but they don't use them until it's over $8. They don't use it until it's over 8. But listen, I think it's because this is accumulation. I think it's because it's accumulation. I think that's why they're keeping it under 8. Also, this is a head and shoulders, so it's natural for the price to go down. It's getting hot. Sometimes the sun comes in and it makes my room too hot, but I like having the sun. I like having the sunshine in, but sometimes it gets too hot. But guys, it's gonna break 8. Don't worry. But this was a head and shoulders, man. It's not gonna break $8 doing this. You know what I mean? That's a head and shoulders. We need something like the cup and handle. Remember the cup and handle, guys? Remember the cup and handle breakout that took us to $9? We need something like that, you know. Not a head and shoulders. That's not where we're it's at right there. But basically it's consolidating, it's accumulating at this range, it's finding a base at this $8 level. I'm feeling really confident about buying in this range here. Just me personally. I'm feeling really, really confident about buying in this range for a markup. Really confident. Now, you don't have to take my, I don't know, I'm just some guy on the internet. You don't have to take my word for it, but I do have a successful career trading, so I must be doing something right. I must be doing something right. Yeah, on the daily, it's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Clear sign of a breakout coming. clear sign of a breakout. What is that line? Let me see. It's the bottom of the wedge. We'll probably push up here on GameStop soon, but it's probably going to come down just a little bit more, unfortunately. It might do like a quick drop down and then pop up. Here's where the bear flag broke. I'm just trying to figure out if this is another bear flag or is this a bottom. It looks more like a bottom because it's round. You see how it's rounded? Bear flags don't do that. This looks like a bottom. If I had to guess, I would say $14 even is the absolute lowest this thing would go, man. I mean, I guess it could always go lower, but if I see this thing hit $14, I'll scoop that bitch up for sure. Really, anything, even this is a steal. Anytime you buy GameStop at $14, historically, it was a very good buy. If you look back in the past, if you look at all of history of GameStop recently, anytime you bought GameStop at this $14 to $15 level, you got mad gains afterwards. You right here you got mad gains. Right here you got mad gains. What? This was a 44% move, and it went even higher. And if you bought down here at 14 or 15, this was like a 30% move. If you bought down here at this low, this was at $20, but this, look at that move afterwards. Look at this move afterwards. Off of these lows. So, I mean, not financial advice. It's a fucking easy trade, dude. You just gotta wait, though. You're just gonna have to wait. This is an easy trade, but I don't know why people can't get it in their head. Like, when you see something down low, that's when you want to buy. People see this and they're like, oh no, I won't touch that with a 10-foot pole. But really, when you see this, all of these red candles in a quick rapid succession, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of bleeding, bro. That's when you be going in, bro. That's when your dollar cost averaging loading up. Especially if somebody says the keywords like GameStop is dead, AMC is dead, Bitcoin is dead. If you hear anyone say that, that's when you know you want to buy. So first, if someone says that, slap the person in the face that said it. Slap the person in the face that said it because they're dumb as shit. And then buy a whole bunch. And then when it goes back up, laugh at them. Laugh at them and say, I thought it was dead. Yeah, SPY's done, guys. We're just literally waiting for the crash. What about it? Did I make this prediction? Why would I say it was gonna do this? Or maybe I was just trying to show something, I don't know. But this is, I don't know what that is. I don't see anything. 10%, that's okay. Yeah, but look at that bottom. Strong rejection off of $7.57. Came right back down in the range. That's a bear flag. Okay, guys, we're still consolidating on AMC. So, guys, just remember, this is better than going down to 738, because this is where we were gonna go. So be grateful. I am. Yeah, I never went to school. I learned from the school of the internet. People think I went to school, though. Everyone swears I went to college. They'll be like, you went to college? No, the internet taught me, bro. All the college kids always think I went to a school, though. Which proves you do not need to go to a school to know as much as someone with a degree. Not saying taking that away from anyone. I'm not taking that away from anyone. I'm just saying. Alright, GameStop making gaps as normal. Gaps to the upside. GameStop trying to hold that 1450 level, guys. If it doesn't hold 1450, it's going right down to 13. And they got plenty of shares. They got 2.8 mil. I don't know why, but they're just fucking pummeling GameStop, man. They must be fucking terrified of GameStop right now. They must be terrified of GameStop right now. Because they are pummeling it. They don't normally do 2.8 mil for GameStop. They do like 1 million tops. They don't need that many shares for GameStop because GameStop has a lower float. GameStop's float is a lot lower. So they don't need that many shares for GameStop. So they are really trying to make sure that it doesn't go up. So I'm wondering what's going on with GameStop. I think the market crash is freaking them out a little bit. I think the market crash coming is freaking them out a little bit. Man, dude, is this gonna have a red day? Yo, SQQQ hasn't had a red day in a minute, bro. It just feels like every day is green. Even when it does pull back, it pulls back just a little bit. Look, it doesn't pull back anything substantial. This is the biggest red day it's had in a while, and that was a 6% day right here. So that's pretty decent down. But after that, look, the biggest red day it had was like a 2% day. Crazy. Like half a percentage point. I would say something about schools. Schools are meant to just control you anyways. Schools are just the only thing school is meant, grade school especially, elementary school, high school, all that's meant to do is make you a servant. Bro, they don't want you to have an entrepreneurial mindset. They don't want you to have, they don't even want you to have free thoughts. They want you to think what they tell you and think what you're supposed to be. They want you to think what you're told. That's why they make you stand in line and write shit down and repeat it. School don't even make you smart. It teaches you how to be a slave. Yeah, I'm dyslexic too, dog. I do it all the time on here. I'm surprised no one noticed. You'll never make bank if you work for others in a debt-based society. Well, I made decent money, I just was struggling. So I don't think you would say you would not ever make bank if you work for somebody, but you're definitely going to make a lot less money. And the thing about when I was working for someone else, dude, I don't know if you guys ever felt this way, but especially guys, if you work a long ass week of construction or restoration, a hard ass job down here in the South where it's hot as fuck, and you're in a fucking house with no AC because it's stripped down to the frame, and you work all fucking day. You wake up at 6 a.m. and you don't get home until like 7 or 8, and the traffic is fucking horrible, and it's fucking hot, and it's hard fucking work, and you get beat the fuck up. Or in restoration, you're fucking digging around in mold and shit. If you do all of that, and at the end of the week, you only have like $200 to $300 to save or invest, you get pissed. And that made me fucking mad. It made me mad and depressed to work that hard to only have a tiny bit extra. And sometimes I didn't even have zero extra. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. So I knew there was a better way. I went back to trading. So what I started to do is I did what I did originally. I started trading at work. So what I would do, now again, this can get complicated because some people don't like you on the phone. But listen, I got to the point where I was like, look, I love my job. I go hard at my job. I'm here. But I'm making my money on the side because this isn't my dream and this is not my life. So I got to make my money on the side and do my own thing. So I started leaving work. Instead of staying late, I left at 5 o'clock. I used to stay at work every day. I would stay late. I started leaving at 5 o'clock. And I said I have to leave at 5. I got other shit to do. And started focusing on my own shit. But that's why I couldn't make videos and stuff till after a certain time. I don't know if you guys will remember that, but there was a time I only dropped videos at certain times. It's because I was working. I was working, trading, and doing YouTube. And then my days were crazy. You want to talk about chaos, bro? Talk about being a lead tech on a job. Okay, so I'm a manager. I'm also doing trading in my fucking pocket. And I'm fucking running a YouTube channel. Dude, that was crazy, dog. That was fucking insane. Yo, guys, SPY's already on the table for losing more gains. So the crash is starting to... Listen, this is why I said it could get ugly fast. So this is why I want everyone to be ready. This is why I said it could get ugly fast. What happened? Because this could get ugly fast, y'all. It could get ugly fast. Yeah, SQQQ, man. It's been a blessing. It's been a blessing. SQQQ been a blessing. A straight blessing. But guys, it keeps topping out at this 2150 level. We need to break 2135. So let's go ahead and mark this on SQQQ. And let's put it on yellow. We're going to mark it as yellow because we need to break above this level on SQQQ to see it fly. So to see SQQQ to make like a big move, it needs to break 2134. AMC is starting to pull back, guys. This is to be expected, guys. I did tell you guys this. I warned about this. I warned about this. And I warned about this. Does anyone feel like... I want to ask you guys this. I know what I think, but I want to ask you guys this. Do you feel like SQQQ will pay you sooner than AMC? Type A1 if you think SQQQ will pay you before AMC pays you. Type a 1. Type a 2 if you think AMC will pay you before SQQQ. So type a 1 if you think SQQQ will make money first. Type a 2 if you think AMC will make money before SQQQ. I know what I think, but I want to know what you guys think. Yeah, that is true. It already has made money, huh? Yeah, it has been paying every day. I just thought about that. Bro said he used to do tank cleaning in Tampa, bro. You know that shit was hot. It's wild down south, man. It could be hot in the summer. Yeah, and the Hispanic people, they work in hoodies. They'll wear a hoodie all day. They wear a fucking hoodie. I don't know how they do it. The Hispanic people are wild. They wear a hoodie. I don't know how. I be wanting to take all my clothes off. They be wearing a hoodie, dog. And they wear pants. I don't know why or how, but they say it keeps them cooler inside of a hoodie and pants with a face mask on than not having clothes on. I feel like being naked out in the heat would make you fucking cooler. But yeah, they tell you to wear a hoodie and everything, a face mask, all that shit. You shouldn't be paying that much attention to my bed. And it does have a sheet. Why the hell are you looking at my bed that hard? I'm a barber. I want to retire. Well, listen, I want to tell you guys something about retirement. I'm not trying to burst anyone's bubble, but 100% you're not going to be able to retire in this day and age. You're going to have to at least do trading or something. You're going to have to do something. You're not going to be able to just have some type of fixed income and be okay. You're going to have to do something where your money isn't fixed. But staying at home day trading a little bit is way better. You know what I mean? Your shoulder's not going to hurt you by pressing a button on the computer. Your back might hurt you. That's what's starting to hurt me, my fucking back. I'll tell you what. But listen, I'd rather my back hurt from sitting down than my knees and my body and everything from just getting beat the fuck up outside in the construction or restoration or digging around in mold or Cat 3 water. Or digging around in a fucking firehouse that caught on fire and I'm in the attic fucking busting out asbestos out the fucking roof. Guys, you don't even know, man. I was in the fucking trenches, bro. I was in the trenches. Fucking in a old ass 150-year-old house down by on Bayshore. 150. It was a 120-year-old house. Beautiful house, caught on fire. This shit had asbestos in it though. You already know it did, bro. And I'm in the fucking roof. It had one of those old roofs that everything was just plaster. The whole fucking thing was just plaster. It was old as fuck. And I'm just up top in the attic because we had to demo the whole thing. I went up in the attic and I went up in the roof because it was taking too long busting that shit down and it's a really high roof. I went up in the roof and I went up top and I started just fucking busting that shit out from the top. And we busted the whole roof in every single fucking room. Took the whole roof down. And then we had to clean it all off of the floor. I'm talking about a pile of plaster and chicken wire like this high all over a house. We had to clean it all, yo. It was wild. All right, guys, we're moving down towards that 770 level, guys. Here's where we're at on AMC, guys. Here's where we're at on AMC. So I did predict that we would have this V-shaped dip down. I predicted that we'll come all the way down to 760, 768. 768. It doesn't look like we'll make it that far, but again, keep that in mind. That's a very good possibility. Head and Shoulders is playing out, guys. Head and Shoulders is playing out, okay? It's forming the shoulder right now. It's forming the right shoulder. You can see it. You see it? You guys can see. You gotta be able to see it. It's forming the right shoulder right now. So the Head and Shoulders is gonna play out. AMC is probably gonna end up working its way back down to $7.38. I'll be buying at that level. Me personally, I will be buying at that level. I will be buying at that level. Oh shit. Guys, spy. Spy's tanking. I'm just ready for SQQ to go, man. Because once the market finally goes, then AMC can go. Then we can finally just get this thing started. Who's ready, man? I know I am. I see lots of ones. So everyone, that means everyone thinks that AMC or SPY is gonna, or SQQQ is gonna pay out more. Most people think SQQQ is gonna pay out first. All right, SQQQ is starting to form an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, I'm ready for it too, man. I don't think anything's gonna happen on AMC until the market crashes. I'm just keeping it 100 with you guys. I don't lie like everyone else to tell you it's gonna squeeze every week, guys. I don't think we're gonna see anything until the market crashes. I don't want to make anyone feel upset. You guys already know I keep it 100 on this channel. I can only tell you the truth, or what I feel is the truth. And I feel like we're not going to see shit until the market crashes. And I'm talking about SPY has to be back at, I'm talking under, at least under this red line. At least. So we got a little bit ways to go. We got a little bit ways to go. But that just gives me more time to accumulate. That just gives me more time to accumulate. GameStop has a very, very easy mode right now. GameStop, if it doesn't hold this 745, which it's already not holding, it's going to come down to $14 even. It's almost guaranteed to happen. In fact, that's what's going to happen, guys. It's coming down to 14. You can already see how it got rejected here? It's coming down. It's going to retest this right here. It's going to retest this. So I'm going to be looking for buys on AMC and GameStop. AMC is outside of the bands right now, though. So it might be able to hold this level. It might be able to hold this 775. Here's my prediction anyways, guys. Here's my prediction, guys. You can see it marked in white. Prediction marked in white. So far, it's tracking very, very accurately. Everything is red right now, guys. Everything's red. Except for the NASDAQ, which is fucking insane. NASDAQ's on its way out the door, though. Yeah, NASDAQ's on its way out the door. And it got a gap fill to the downside. That's a nasty doji, too, man. That's a gravestone, I think. I think that's a gravestone doji. That's bearish. I'm almost certain that's a gravestone doji, but don't take my word on that, guys. All right, so we have a membership for Patrick. If you're watching this, Patrick, you're about to get your link. 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 Patrick, I got a hat trick. Patrick CC. And all right, so I just sent that link out for Patrick. All right. I gotta put out more plays on the Discord. Everyone should know, though, that SQQQ is the move right now. It's just basically put season. Everything's locked on puts. I think everyone should know that, but I'm just going to make sure everyone knows that. Alright guys, so AMC following my prediction once again, guys. AMC following my prediction once again. I think someone said it best in the comments. I'm right 99.9% of the time. I make a lot of predictions though. So when you make a lot of predictions, you put your neck on the line a lot. But guess what? I'm right about mostly all of them, which is crazy. The fact that I make so many predictions and I'm right about so many shows how accurate I really am. Because I could really just be quiet and not give as many predictions and just do one prediction a day and I would be right every single day. But instead I do like 50 predictions on 50 different stocks. Because if I really wanted to, if I wanted to make myself look perfect and have a track record of 0 mistakes, all I'd have to do is only focus on AMC. And just only focus on AMC or only focus on SPY or only focus on GameStop. Focus on one stock and I would never get it wrong. $99.9.999. Okay, game or Amy? Is this Spy? Spy making a nice little push off of this 420. Spy's been holding 420 decent. Why would you sell your GameStop at a low, though? That don't make sense. Rockets in the chat, someone said. Someone said rockets in the chat. Oh, Zelly said that. Yeah, but there's no, it's not a guarantee that it's going to go lower. That's the thing. That's why you never want to try to catch the bottom. You always just where you think relatively the bottom is going to be. You're never going to catch the exact bottom. So don't try. Because trying to catch the exact bottom, once you figure out stocks, and how to do it, you're going to start being greedy in reverse. So once you actually program your mind to start looking at things going down and buying low and looking on the red days for buys and looking for deals that way, once you program your mind to do that, then you're going to get into another phase, because there's phases of this where you get better, but you still have to tweak on your, you have to tweak your methods on how you do things. So you understand that you're supposed to be buying low, and you programmed your mind to be looking for things that are beat down and that have been going down for a while. So you got to that part, but you're gonna then you're gonna start being greedy to think, okay, well, I'll just wait till it goes a little bit lower. I'll just wait till it goes a little bit lower. I'll just wait. Eventually, you'll start waiting for a price that never comes. So what you want to do is you want to buy where you think the relative bottom is. You're never going to catch the exact bottom. So just buy where you think the relative bottom is. Don't use all of your powder at once. So if you have $100, we'll just use easy numbers. Buy $50 at $14.50. If it drops a little bit lower, spend your next $50. If it doesn't, if it goes up a little bit more, you can still throw in your $50 real quick. Dollar cost averaging and relative bottom. You're never going to catch the exact bottom. So just go ahead and like dollar cost average on the way down. You know what I mean? Just dollar cost average on the way down. And then when it starts to go back up, you'll get paid. This is a buy right now, guys, not financial advice. GameStop is a 100% buy. And again, you're never going to catch the exact bottom. But if you wait, this thing's going to recover. It's going to recover hard because look how hard it got beat down. So it's going to shoot right back up. It's going to get a V-shaped style recovery. You can see that the MACD is already starting to curl on the 4 minute, on the 4 hour. This is looking good. GameStop's looking really good. GameStop's looking really good. It's outside of the bands here on the daily time frame. RSI underneath 30. That's all buy signals, guys. That's all buy signals. Being outside of the bands, RSI underneath 30. Doji here on the daily time frame at the end of a trend, which means that this trend is most likely ending. Multiple gap fills to the upside. There's multiple reasons why I would buy this stock right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 red days in a row. You have a doji right here, which is at the end of a trend, which means that this trend is probably reversing. You have RSI at 27, which is under 30. That's a buy signal. You have gap fills to the upside. That's a buy signal. You have this falling wedge breakout. That's a buy signal. The MACD starting to curl. It's about to flip. That's going to be a buy signal once that flips green. I think GameStop's bottoming, guys. I think GameStop's at the bottom. If it goes any lower, it's going to be $14 and that's it. So 50 cents a share is not that big of a deal. And I don't even think it's gonna be able to go that low. I think this is the bottom. I think this is the bottom. If I had to guess, I would say this is the bottom. For GameStop. And it looks like Amy's trying to hold this 773. It looks like Amy's going to actually be able to hold this level here. I have a V-shaped style recovery, guys. She's pretty much tracking with my prediction. She went a little bit higher than I thought. I thought she would come down to 768. She only came down to 773. And she's starting to move back to the upside as I predicted. And then SPY starting to get a little bit of a bounce. SPY kind of tracking with my prediction. It didn't necessarily because we had a strong pullback. So it was tracking through pre-market and then started the pullback and started to deviate from my prediction a little bit. But it's starting to come back on track. I do think SPY is going to work its way up to this level here of like 424 and then get rejected. I think AMC is trying to get back above $7.85. It's going to try to use this as support and then go back up towards that $8 mark. Right here is your prediction marked in white. Why would you say that? Is that an insult? I'm trying to figure out if this guy's insulting this person. Let me wait for one more comment. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to see what he says next. Yeah, you got to watch those people, Zelly. I think this guy's insulting people. You and AK. Time him out. Time him out. Time him out. Do it. Use your mod powers. Just don't ban people. Just time them out. Just time them out a bunch of times until they shut the fuck up. I don't know. Sometimes things get lost in context, but even if it kind of looks like an insult, just time them out. Gold just hit a new 52-week low. That's funny. I know Peter Thiel is fucking rolling in his grave right now. Gold just hit a 52-week low while Bitcoin is up. This is what I'm trying to tell people. Bitcoin is better than gold. Bitcoin is better than gold. I'm trying to tell people. That's not a bad gain, though. That's poop. It's only up 2.5%. This is fucking garbage. In 5 years, it only did 45%. That's so fucking garbage, bro. In 5 years, you know how much Bitcoin did in 5 years? Bitcoin did like fucking thousands and thousands and thousands of percentages. Dude, in 20 years, the biggest gain was 338%. That's fucking garbage, bro. That's not even inflation. That doesn't even account for inflation, dude. You're basically breaking even. Fuck that. Bitcoin is way better. Gold is okay, but it's trash, dude. I mean, it's good money, but it's fucking, like, what the fuck is the point of having something that only goes up 300%? Dude, Bitcoin goes up 20% in a day. SQQQ just bottomed off 2045 again. Yeah, no, you should buy at the low. This is where you should be buying, yeah, for sure. They're probably loading up right now. That's why it's going down. I'm sure that's what's going on. And in fact, if you look at what the countries are doing, they're buying gold. So this is the fakest chart I've ever fucking seen. China's buying gold right now, and Russia's buying gold right now. So I know that this is fake, and I'm sure a bunch of rich people are too. Fucking manipulated, bro. I'm sure a bunch of rich people are buying it. They can't, though. You can't screw up if you put your money in the right place. It doesn't matter what happens in the short term. It's what's going to happen here. Dude, in 5 years, the world's going to be so different, guys. Listen. In 5 years, the world is going to be way different, y'all. In 5 years, man, the world is going to be way different. And it's going to go year by year by year. The change is going to be very, very rapid. We're about to come into like a super hyperinflationary fucking catastrophe. So I need everyone to be ready, man. You got to have gold. You got to have Bitcoin and gold is what you're going to need. The dollar's going to shit. All right? But listen, the whole world's about to blow up. The dollar going this high is bad for everyone. It's not just bad for it's bad. Oh shit, we got gap fills. The world's about to blow up. Yeah, they're saving it for when it gets back over $8. That's what they keep doing this, guys, if you didn't notice. So if you notice, they'll save the short shares and make it's a let me try to explain this very, very easily. It's accumulation. So anytime it goes over $8, they're going to use all the shares and try to keep it under 8. But this is an accumulation range, y'all. So just do what they're doing. Buy in this range. And we'll be selling in the higher ranges. This is a beautiful setup. Do you see this? That's a beautiful setup. Yeah, but they have low cost to borrow, so they can just buy them. That's why they keep appearing. AMC's cost to borrow isn't shit. It's like 1%. It's 2.5% or 2.50 cost to borrow. That's why they can get them so easily. Why is NASDAQ green right now? Why is NASDAQ green? Why is NASDAQ the only thing green right now? That's so stupid. That's how you know the market's about to blow up. Alright, so this is going to come back down. What is this? It's irrelevant. Dollar looking strong. Man, that's crazy. It just ripped up like that. Okay, guys, so we're possibly working on an inverse head and shoulders here on Amy. Just a micro. This is a small inverse head and shoulders. It's going to be on the smaller time frame. Right here's your shoulder. Right here's your head. And then we're going to be forming a shoulder here. We need to get back above 785. We need to get back above 785 in order for that to play out. GameStop is holding that 15 or 1450 level. Also, it has multiple gap fills to the upside. I think GameStop has bottomed, in my personal opinion. So I think GameStop has found a bottom. SPY is holding on for dear life. If SPY cannot stay above 420, okay? So if SPY goes below 420, you already know what it is. And then we're going to start seeing SQQQ rocket, because SQQQ is double bottoming and triple bottoming off of $20.45. It refuses to go lower than that $20.45 level. So we might see something pop off here. But basically this is looking good. I just wish we had more gains. You know, I'm waiting for the day that we can just be excited because we're making thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Because SQQQ just keeps going. So I'm waiting for the big move, guys. I'm waiting for the big move. That's what I want. I want the big day. I'm ready for the big day. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for the big day. I'm ready for the big day where we get thousands and thousands and thousands. Yes, how is NASDAQ green? That is the question. I don't know why my back is hurting me so bad. Let's see, what should I do? Should I take an edible? It's this fucking chair. I need a standing desk. Someone said they're gonna get a membership. My 50. Just don't give me any money that you can't afford to not give me. So I don't want anyone like scraping together their last $50 to buy my Discord. I don't want that. Only buy the Discord if you have extra. How's it sit and stand? I need a standing desk. AMC starting to get the flip on the MACD, guys. Bullish. It is this chair. I can feel it as soon as I stand up. It feels better as soon as I stand up. That's crazy. That's crazy. I never thought I would have that problem. That's a good problem to have, though. It's a good problem to have. Can I make this thing look up? Alright, I'm gonna stand up for a little bit, guys. I got to. Hold on, let me fix my... Hell yeah. Alright. Yeah, I gotta stand up, man. My back, dude. Yo, this would be dope. Yo, this would be dope. I could fuck with this. I could fuck with this, man. This would be alright. If the desk was right here, oh yeah, yeah. That would be dope. I could do this. And then make it so the desk can do that thing where you push it down. Now I know what you mean. You could just go like this and then have it sit down. You could just, yeah, that makes sense. That would be dope. I need that. I'm going to get that. I got to order one. I got to find it. That's my next thing. That's my next thing. I got to get the standing desk, the standing sit down desk. 100%. Especially if I'm going to be spending all this time at the computer. Man, I never thought
I would be spending so much time at a computer. Mad time at the computer, man. Yeah, as soon as I started standing up, I felt way better. Okay, let's go ahead and check out AMC. It's more hype this way too. Hell yeah. Alright. Let's drop some rockets in the chat. Drop some Rockies. Drop some Rockies for Amy. She's following the prediction. She's doing as she's told. Amy's following the prediction, doing as she's told. Let's go. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Look, as soon as we start dropping rockets, look what happens. That's so crazy. Look, as soon as we start dropping rockets, look what happens. Drop them in the chat, drop them in the chat, drop them in the chat. Rockets in chat. Rockets in the chat. Get one on Facebook Marketplace, 150. Man, I gotta get a new one, bro. Get one from Target or something. But definitely, 100%, definitely getting a standing desk. I can't. My back was fucking killing me. I'm too used to standing. I'm used to standing for long periods of time. $7.89. Let's go. Drop the rockets, drop the rockets. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get it. Hey. Yo, as soon as we start pumping, look what happens, though. That's so crazy. Yeah, as soon as we start pumping the rockets, look what happens. As soon as we start pumping them. AMC following the prediction as planned, baby. Let's go. $7.89 right now. $14.64 on GameStop. $4.21 on SPY. $20.73 on SQQQ. Let me drop some rockets with you guys. What's up? Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. $7.91. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Rockets in the chat. Rockets in the chat right now. All right, let's go. Let's go. DataZero family's doing it again. DataZero family's doing it again. We're doing it again, baby. We cannot be stopped, yo. We cannot be stopped. Check it out, y'all. We doing it. cyber security. Fam, we doing it again, bro. We doing it again. 793 we just hit. We're out of control, fam. GameStop's pushing up nicely here. 1470 on GameStop. Unstoppable. All right. Let's see if we can break 793 resistance. We have resistance here at 793, guys. Resistance right here at 793. Let's see if we can't break through that. 794. $7.94 right now. Come on. We're trying to break resistance. We have a gap fill to the downside. $7.94. $7.94 is the price we're looking for. We're at 792. GameStop's pushing up 1470. SPY's at 421.75. She's pushing. All right, so AMC's having a hard time breaking this 794. 794. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what's popping over here. All right, guys, press that like button if you don't mind. Press that like button if you don't mind. Press that like button if you don't mind. We're at 129 likes. Press that like button if you don't mind. 129 likes in the building, baby. Let's go. AMC's going over 794. We just pumped it up. Pushing AMC up over 794, guys, with the rockets. You already know how we do. Strong resistance here. We got the bands. Let's see if we got any let's see if any EMAs are there. Let's go ahead and check the EMAs. We're gonna go ahead and pop the EMAs on real quick. And we're gonna check the 5. All right, we good. Slowly creeping up above the support right here, guys. Slowly creeping up. Slowly trying to push above that level there. Let's check out GameStop real quick. GameStop's at 1470. And SPY's pushing up 422.11. SPY's probably going to top out around this level here. It got a strong resistance. SPY might be making a double bottom off of 420. Elmo song? $7.95. AMC working on this inverse head and shoulders right now. AMC working on this inverse head and shoulders. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's popping off. I'm going to go ahead and take the EMAs off. You have your shoulder, you have your head, and you have a shoulder. We're working on an inverse head and shoulders. We're trying to break out of that right now. AMC inverse head and shoulders will take us back to $8. Let's go. That's crazy. As soon as we started pushing it, it went up though. As soon as I said, hey, can we put some rockets in the chat? Yo, it's so crazy that this be happening, yo. How many times have we done this? Like, it's so crazy for real that this shit be happening like this. Bro, it's crazy for real that this shit be happening like this, dog. For real. Like, I say put rockets in the chat. We start putting some rockets. Testing. Test. Sorry. As soon as we start putting rockets in the chat, guys. As soon as we start putting rockets in the chat, you see the price start to move. It's so crazy that this should be happening like that. It's so crazy. Now we do have a gap fill to the downside, guys. We do have a gap fill to the downside. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the gap. Yo, it's so crazy for real. It's so crazy for real. As soon as I seen the first couple rockets come, this is the candle that printed. So it is kind of wild for real. As soon as the rockets came on the screen, it started going up. Like, it's kind of wild for real. What is that? Okay, guys, so we do have a gap fill to the downside. Let me see. Oh, that's what's holding the market up. Watch this. seen this right off the bat. Inverse head and shoulders on Tesla. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy on Tesla. This is easy. There's 1, 2, and 3 price targets. Easy play. Inverse head and shoulders. Right here's your shoulder. Right here's your head. Right here's your shoulder. Right here is an ascending triangle. Tesla's gonna top out at 258.66 cents. Tesla's gonna top out at 258.66. Watch. 258.66. 258.66. Just watch. Just watch. Is there some way I can write that on here? Alright guys, so you can see AMC tracking with my prediction right here. You guys can see AMC tracking with my prediction, guys. AMC tracking with my prediction right now. So, basically the usual, you know what it is, AMC tracking, GameStop tracking, SPY tracking, everything's going as predicted, that's normal guys, you already know what it is. Nah, I'm just kidding guys, but nah, it is going as predicted, y'all. Yeah, SPY just double bottomed off of 420, so SPY's going to be coming up to this level here. SPY's going to be coming up to 424. 424. I knew SPY would have a green day today. I said that. I said most likely SPY's gonna have a green day today, but the legs can get chopped at any minute. You're working from home? Hey, that's their fault for letting you work from home, man. Now you can watch Datazero stream. That feels so much better. After standing, oh my god, dude, I gotta get a desk that moves. Crazy. It's a good problem to have, man. Listen, I'm used to working hard labor jobs. I'm used to working hard-ass jobs, man, so this is way better. Yo, we've been crushing it, fam. I don't like this, though. Possible bull flag? Let's see. Let's see if we've got a bull flag. We got an inverse head and shoulders, you dig? We do have a gap fill though, y'all. Don't forget it. Don't forget the gap fill. Look. Drop some Rockies. Hey. 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 Drop some Rockies in the chat. Drop some Rocket in the chat right now, you did. Hey. Drop some Rockets in the chat. We going up. We never looking back. Drop some Rockets in the chat. Alright guys, so we just got a little bull flag right here, guys, and we did get the breakout of the bull flag. So we just got a bull flag breakout on spot on Amy. I watched. Someone said, okay. Bob Lee said I watch DataZero every day on the clock. You dig? That's the best way to do it. That's the best way to do it. It's a win-win for both of us too. It's a win-win for both of us. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, press the like button. Press the like button. Press subscribe if you're enjoying the stream. I appreciate it. Man, if we could get over $9, man, 30,000 calls, bro, the gamma ramp would be stupid. If you guys want to join the Discord, you want to hit me up on the email, DataZeroOfficial5. DataZeroOfficial5 is the email. Hit me up, DataZeroOfficial5. I do give out buy and sell signals on the Discord. Buy and sell signals on the Discord. Hit me up. I do give buy and sell signals. We gotta come back down for this gap. You guys see the gap, right? I mark them for a reason. It's down here. It's at $7.80. So we gotta fill it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So we played out the inverse head and shoulders, but now we gotta fill the gap. Now we gotta fill the gap. I had to stand up because I hurt my back. Yeah. Now we gotta fill the gap because I had to stand up because I hurt my back. Yeah. Inverse head and shoulders. You guys see? Hold on, let me do it better. Hold on. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This one's a little sloppy. It's like a little like droopy shoulder. So his shoulder would be like this. Why do all the patterns look like sexual things? Like a double bottom looks like boobs. Double bottom. And then we got inverse head and shoulder. Double bottom. Oops. Inverse head and shoulder. Double bottom. Double bottom. See the double bottom, guys? Double bottom. It's a double bottom, y'all. Who wants timed out? Someone said don't say you'll get timed out. No, you're allowed to say that. 808s. Eight. 808. Yeah, I know what you meant, dude. Make sure you get a Powerball ticket. Nah, bro. The lottery's for poor people. It's a trap. The lottery is just an extra tax, if you didn't know. The lottery is literally just another tax. It's a hidden tax. Yeah, it's a hidden tax, man. Alright, so SPY's starting to move up. Double bottom off of 420. So SPY's definitely going to be pushing up, guys. SPY's going to definitely be pushing up. SPY's definitely going to be pushing up.
DZ got keys.
Hey, let's go. Man, I can't figure out what's gonna happen here, guys. I'm trying to figure out which one's gonna break, but not both of these can't stay up. One of these is gonna fall, SQQQ or SPY. So we have this. Yeah, SPY's making an inverse head and shoulders. It's definitely bottoming. SPY's making a bottom. SPY's making a bottom for now. It's definitely bottoming. Alright guys, I'm gonna delete this prediction, guys. So everything tracked. It tracked in the morning, it tracked here in the afternoon, it tracked all the way up into here, and we did hit the price target of the prediction. I did predict $7.91 as the price target. We did hit the price target prediction. It ended up going a little bit higher than I predicted. It is gonna come back down though, guys. So I'm gonna erase this prediction. It tracked all the way up until this point, and it did hit my price target, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete it so we can give you a new one. We gotta come back down and fill this gap. What's up, Bano? We missed you too. Alright guys, if you don't mind, press that like button, press that like button. We're at 147 likes. We're trying to get 150. We're at 150. We're trying to get 150. Go ahead and press that like button if you're enjoying the show, if you're enjoying the stream, if you're having a good time, if you learned something, go ahead and press subscribe. Go ahead and press that like button. You dig? Yeah, SPY's definitely making an inverse head and shoulders, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this prediction because it's gonna work out, guys. We are gonna hit the price target. So, but I'm delete it so we can clean it up and give you a new one. Here's your prediction for SPY. Run it back, pockets fat like a running back. Yeah, you bounce it back like a trenches. You know, get the stacks. And I make the money. And I spend it. And I make it back. You know that a pocket's fat. Fat just like a running back. Money over everything, that's all I know. Like a fair now referee, that's how it goes. You know what it is, I just want all the dough. So I'm looking at the market thinking how I can make my next million. Got the motherfucking master plan, yeah, I'm trying to make $1 billion. Got so fucking rich I came that I became a fucking villain. Man, I swear these it's all my clones, they are my fucking children. I think we're gonna break a quick pop over 8 and then have to pull back. Guys, we have a gap fill to the downside, we have to fill it. We're looking good as far as RSI, as far as everything. If we didn't have this gap fill down here, I would say we're probably going to break over $8 and keep going. But we have a gap fill to the downside, so that's the only thing. If we didn't have that gap fill, I would definitely say, hey, we're probably going to break over 8 and be able to keep going. But we have this gap fill to the downside, so we got to watch that. About to make a killing. Swear these I clones all my children. Trying to make $1 million. So apparently Tesla's been holding the market up. Here's my prediction for Bitcoin, guys. It's been tracking for 2 days now. It's been tracking for 2 whole days. I haven't touched it at all. Look. Can you fucking believe it, dog? This has been tracking for 2 days. This is the 3rd day. I made it this day. This is the 3rd day that it's been tracking. So I think Bitcoin's gonna start bottoming out in this range and then start moving back to the upside. Here goes Amy. Man, I wish that gap wasn't down there. I wish that gap wasn't down there, man, because we're looking good. We're looking like we could break over 8 and keep going, but this gap, man, so I don't know. Up, here comes SPY. I told you SPY was gonna push. I told you guys SPY was gonna push. Yeah, I told you guys. Alright, we got 250 people in the building right now. I appreciate it. And we got 155 likes. 155 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have I missed the pilot voice? You did miss story time. I was telling the story about, let me see. What was the story today? I forget. I think I was telling the story about when I was in the trenches working construction. Oh, yeah, that is a good idea. I might take profits too. Let me go ahead and log in here. Yeah, I forgot I bought that AMC a while back on that trade. Let me go ahead and check this out. I could use a couple bucks, I guess. Wow, she's really trying to hold 8 while the gap's down there. This is the shit that be pissing me off. Like, why does she want to hold 8 now while the gap's down there and we know it's going to come back down? Now all of a sudden she wants to hold $8. Now all of a sudden she wants to hold $8 at support. Ain't that some bullshit, y'all? I don't know if this is, it looks like a falling wedge, but I'm not 100% sure on this one, man. Cause check it out, bro. Not SQQQ and SPY can't go up. Sorry guys, it's gonna glitch for a second. It's gonna glitch for a second, guys. I have the VPN on. I have the VPN on. I don't like streaming with the VPN because it sometimes interferes with things. Not always, but sometimes it does. So it's going to glitch for a quick second, guys. I do apologize. I have the VPN on because of what's going on with the test today. I am not taking my VPN off. I always normally use a VPN, but I'm not taking it off today. And at 2 o'clock, I'm turning my phone off, guys. I don't care if it sounds crazy or not. I'm turning my phone off. I'm turning it off at like 1:45, I'm turning it off. Oh, see, now it's gonna do this bullshit. Hold on, man. I gotta do something real quick, guys. Alright. Yeah, it dropped a couple people. That's okay, though. They'll come back. They'll come back. It's okay. All right, on with the show. It's gonna fuck up for a little bit, just so everyone knows. It's gonna mess up for a couple seconds, guys. Just so everyone knows, so everyone's aware. It's gonna mess up for a couple seconds. It's nothing to be alarmed about. It'll go right back to normal here in a few seconds. Okay, so SPY just went to 423.88, guys. SPY just went to the top. I just called out. So SPY just went to 423.88. If now this is what we need to watch, y'all. I don't think it's gonna be able to break this level, but if it does, then we're gonna see SPY go up to like 425. You sign up to the Discord. You hit me up. Hold on. For the Discord, you want to hit me up on my email, bro. Hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. DataZeroOfficial5 is the email. Hit me up and just say, hey, I want to join the Discord. When you do, I'll send you payment information. Once you make the payment, I will send you the link. Payment is made via PayPal or Cash App. PayPal is made via PayPal or Cash App. Inside of the Discord, I give out buy and sell signals. I give out information. I give out news, technical analysis, and then we have a bunch of other people in there as well, posting technical analysis and news. All of these things will give you an edge on the market, especially the stuff I post. I don't know everything that other people post, but the stuff that I post is going to give you an edge in the market. I post buy and sell signals, I post news, and I post technical analysis. People in the Discord have absolutely been crushing it, guys. Crushing it. All right. I don't know how many wins we've had recently. Let me go ahead and see if we had any. Yeah. So we've had wins of today. Just today. $324. Someone just won. Yesterday, someone won some call options. No. Don't tell me that, Bano. Yeah, people in the Discord, here are the wins. Okay, so SPY just topped. Yo, you cannot make it up. Okay, it went to 424. Okay, I was about to say. It went to 424, but it topped out right where I said that white line, guys. I told you. I told you it hit that white line. It would come up to this white line today and reject. I fucking told everybody, bro. I told everyone it's going to come up to this white line and reject today. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We want to watch this line, though, guys. This is very important. If it breaks over that white line, it's going to go up.
All right, bro. I appreciate the super chat. Sharing the love. I appreciate it. Ruben, right? Ruben. That's how you say your name, right? Ruben. I appreciate it, brother. Made some money, and he made some money, and then he paid it forward. So basically, he made some money and paid it forward. I can easily tell which one's the grandma. That one's the grandma. That one's the daughter, and that one's the mom. Did I not post my live today? I didn't post my live. Hold on, let me do that. Oh shit, I forgot to change the thing too. Damn it. Oh, don't do that. Here, let's do this off screen. Stop! Pissing me off. Videos, live, edit video, save image as, edit, change, downloads, all right, there's that. And let's do this here. Can we get 200 likes? That is the question. I hope we can. How you think it's in a bear flag when there's no pole? There's no pole for it to be a bear flag, bro. You dig? Alright, we're back with another episode of the DataZero live stream. You already know what it is. Daily donations. Thank you, bro. Ruben, you did. We get daily donations on this channel, man. Hell yeah. There's no pole, bro. There's no pole for it to be a flag. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You mean a bull flag? I think you mean a bull flag, bro. A bear flag needs a pole. I wish we'd fill the gap. That's what I want. I want Amy to fill the gap. That way we can stay over $8. Here, guys, I'm going to post this link. I want everyone to share it. I need everyone to share this link. Damn, AMC's still pushing. Dude, this sucks. This sucks because we have the gap filled to the downside. So it doesn't matter what's going on. Like, none of this shit matters right now. Like, it's going to come back down. So that's what sucks right now, guys, is what I'm trying to say. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that AMC keeps going. They're basically just fucking with us at this point right now. They're just fucking with our heads, bro. Cause none of this shit matters. It doesn't matter at all. Here, share this link, guys. Yeah, it's a bull trap. It's a bull trap. That's exactly what this is. Share this link, guys. I'm posting it right now. Share it on your Twitter, share it on your Facebook, share it everywhere. This is the link to the live stream, so I'm sharing it, guys. If you want to help out, all you have to do is share that link I just posted. Yeah, it's a bull trap. That's all it is. So until the gap gets filled, unfortunately, this sucks. I would love to see AMC up here at $8. I'm happy. But right now, people are celebrating, and they think AMC is about to break over $8 and stay at $8. Guess what? They're celebrating for absolutely nothing. They're about to get played. They're about to get fucking played because they're not watching DataZero, and they don't know about the gap fill to the downside. So now they're going to get fucking played, dog. They're going to get played. They're going to get played. They're going to get played. And that's why you need to watch DataZero and press subscribe right now. What if I did start flipping out like that all of a sudden just randomly? Look, they're fucking bullshit. Bro, dump. Guys, I'm about to lose my fucking mind if this shit doesn't go fill the gap right now. I'm about to fucking break something, dude. Break something, damn it. I need it to fill the gap right now. I'm tired of this bullshit. I need you to stop playing games. We know you're not going to keep going up, so just fill the gap right now and then go up. Bitch, stop fucking around. Okay, so SPY is being rejected from that 424 level, guys. It's not going to be able to get over this white line. If SPY breaks over this white line, it's a wrap. That means it's going to be bullish, okay? This is a falling wedge. So if SPY breaks over this white line, that's going to be bullish for a big pop to the upside. Just so you guys are aware. I repeat, if SPY breaks over this white line, that is bullish for a big pop to the upside on SPY. But we could be confirming in the macro bear flag right here. So this is going to get tricky, guys. This is going to get tricky. This is going to get complicated. All serious. No jokes right now, guys. This is going to get tricky, okay? Cuz look. Right here is a falling wedge, but we also have the macro bear flag. So if we can break back into the macro bear flag, dude, this is getting crazy. Look, we had a false break to the upside. Check this out, guys. So here's the bear flag. We had a false break to the upside, and now we might have a false break to the downside. This is bullshit. Just do something, dude. I don't care what you do. Just do something. Go up or go down, but stop being stupid. You know what I mean? Go up or go down, but just stop being stupid. Okay, gap fills filled on GameStop. Gap fills on GameStop are filled. The only gap fills that are left are to the upside. So all the downside gap fills are filled. I repeat, only GameStop gaps to the upside are left. Bullish, 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 bullish. Bullish, y'all. Ooh, what's that though? What is this? What is it? Is it? No. No, it's not. Almost thought I saw the bear flag. It's not, though. It's an expanding megaphone. You can't just make what you want. You can't just cut through like this. You can't just cut through and be like, oh, this is a bear flag. You can't just cut through all this price action and make it whatever the fuck you wanted to make it. No, you have to connect the dots. So this dot connects to this dot and this dot, which means that expanding megaphone to the upside. You can't just make what the fuck you want. That's not technical analysis. That's something else. That's like drawing with your imagination. Man, this is awesome, dude. Look at my channel. I'm watching my channel from the phone. It looks pretty good, man. This looks fucking amazing, dude. The picture looks good. The quality. Dude. Top notch, man. Thank you, guys. This is all because of you. This is all because of you guys, man. Look at this. This is top quality HD stream right now. And it's blazing fast. I'm literally watching myself in real time. Like, it's blazing fast. It's literally doing exactly what I'm doing in real time. So it's fucking wild. Blazing fast, dude. Oh, it's like 30 seconds behind, but that's natural. I mean, if my shit's not, look, it's HD too. The screen looks really clear. So thank you, guys. Yeah, honestly, it's fucking better than some of those professional streamers, dude. The picture and everything's better. And I think I have a better computer than some of those streamers, though, I think. I think I have faster internet, too. But that's neither here nor there. It doesn't really matter. Let's run a quick test. That's crazy. I'm pulling 500s while streaming.
All right, guys. So let's see here. What time is it? Gorgeous stream. Best actor award goes to King Data. I'm a king now. Thank you. You guys got to stop gassing me up, man, because you guys got my ego too big. Everyone says, "Oh, Datazero, you're the man. Datazero, you're the king. Datazero, you're the GOAT." Dude, what I'm really upset about is this not coming. I just wanted it to fill this gap. So I'm going to delete this, guys. I was obviously wrong about this. I just wanted it to fill the gap, man. That's what I really wanted. But it looks like Amy's being defiant right now. So I don't know what she's doing. She's just doing her own thing. But it's pissing me off because there's a gap down there. It needs fucking filled. The gap needs filled, man. I don't know what to tell you guys. All right, I'm going to turn the music back on. Oh, yeah, this sounds really stupid without music. Yeah, I'm definitely, it really sounds boring without music. So let me put the music back on. Hold on, let me listen to this real quick. I just want to. Okay, yeah. Mike sounds good too. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, guys. So, guess what time it is for me? It is that time of the day. It's the time of the day, guys. It's that time of the day for me. So right now, Amy's trying to stay above $8. I'm gonna go grab a smoke and a pancake real quick. Oh man, guys, let me just give you 2 updates before I go grab my smoke and my pancake. So basically, guys, if SPY breaks above this white line at 424 and uses that support, it's gonna make a big push up, possibly to 424.50 and then 429. So watch out for this falling wedge to break on SPY to the upside. Also, watch for AMC. We have a gap fill to the downside at $7.80. It's right here. This is a rising wedge, so most likely we're gonna break down from the rising wedge and then fill the gap. So we will see. GameStop is probably bottoming and going to start moving towards the upside. Alright guys, so just be very careful on SPY, because SPY could make a nice move up if it breaks above 425 and holds that as support, and that's what it looks like it's about to do, so just be careful. Yeah, it could definitely get through it. It could definitely break out. Yeah, SPY could definitely break out. So just watch for upside, guys. Don't get caught in a short squeeze. Don't get caught in a short squeeze, guys, because that's what happens. A short squeeze will happen quick. A short squeeze can happen quick where a bunch of people are short and the market starts going up a little bit, it's going to exacerbate the move and it's going to fly up. So do not get caught on the other end of a short squeeze. You won't like it. You will not like it, I promise you. You do not want to get caught on the other end of a short squeeze. But guys, I'm about to take a quick break. I'm going to take like a 10-minute break. Get some food, get a drink real quick. I'll be right here. I'm going to be on the chat watching. And I'll be back. I'm going to just hop back and forth as I always do. You guys know I don't leave long. I leave for like 5 seconds, 5 minutes. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so look for the breakdown of this ascending triangle, guys. This is an ascending triangle, so this is most likely going to break down, and this is probably where we'll come fill the gap. So look for this to break down. SPY's trying to push above 424. Remember what I said, if SPY can hold this level, that's going to give SPY a big push up. If it can hold this 424 level. If it can hold that level, it's going to give SPY a big push up.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna look for AMC to probably top out around this range. We're starting to get bearish divergence. You guys can see that RSI is trending down while price is trending up. Let's go ahead and go to trading view so I can show you. So it should be here already. Why is it not showing up? Okay. Okay, guys, perfect. Check it out. Okay, so what is that called? You guys know what that's called. We have our starting point here. This is bullish or bearish divergence. We have our starting point here. You can see RSI starts to trend down while price continually trends up. That is bearish divergence. That means that this is not a strong move. That means that we're gonna see a pullback back down to the downside. So yes, 100% the gap's gonna get filled, even though we already knew the gap's gonna get filled because gaps get filled. But this is going to be topping out here soon, guys. It's going to be topping out here soon. This 1809 was definitely the peak, in my personal opinion. So I think we're going to be topping out here soon. It's 12:44, guys. Are you guys turning off your phones? What are you guys gonna do? How are you gonna watch the stream and turn off your phone? What are you guys gonna do? Are you guys gonna get off the stream? I wanna know. Should I turn my whole stream off? Oh, and there's a gap fill down here for GameStop now too. GameStop loves to make these gaps. Are you guys getting off the stream at 2 o'clock? It's almost 2. It's 1 o'clock. I'm turning my phone off. I'm turning my phone off. I might put it in the microwave too. Technically, no. It's not. I don't even want to leave my computer on, honestly. I don't want to not stream, but I don't want to fucking be a part of this, dude. I don't want to, listen, I'm so torn right now because I don't want to not stream, but I don't want to be a part of this in any way, shape, or form. I just want to be completely turned off when this is going down. So I'm torn, man. And matter of fact, I'm turning my TV off. I'm turning all that shit off.